Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a nail trick that I learned from someone on Instagram. I think it's at Hannanator. Anyways, I'll link her down below. This is something that I saw her do and I just wanted to give it a try. So this will be a trial and error together for us. But I just wanted to show you, I already have my base laid down, and my base is, it's OPI's Living on the Boulevard. And so it's kind of like a reddy orange polish, and I absolutely love this polish. So that is my base, and I can't tell from the angle I'm at if the camera's picking up true to color or not. I'll leave a note in the description below to let you guys know if it is or not. Anyways, so that is my base. But then what she did is, I'm going to take some, but then what she did is she took chrome, she took powder, and I'm going to be using this gold powder right here. And it says it's the number 2, but I just got this off of Amazon. And I'm gonna take a stamper, and these vinyls are from the Vinyl Boutique, and I don't even know if they're in business anymore. I got these for a giveaway prize forever ago. But, so I'm just gonna take a vinyl. We're gonna see if this works. And she placed it on, so here, I'll put it this way for you guys. She placed it on a stamper, and then she took, okay, now you guys can see both. She took the powder and rubbed it onto the stamper, which it is working. It is sticking to the stamper. But then she took this and she placed it onto her finger, which I am super curious to see how that will hold up. I'm kind of having to dab it on in places just because when I was dragging it across, it actually lifted up my vinyl. And I don't know if it's because the vinyl's not sticky anymore because it's older, or it just won't stick to the stamper. And then she went ahead and took the vinyl off. And yeah, it wasn't very sticky onto the stamper. So I don't know if that's normal or what. But then we're just gonna go ahead and stamp it onto our nail. Let's see, I'm gonna go, let's go kind of across this way. I probably should put down some latex. Oh well. Oh my goodness, guys. And look, I didn't put down latex or anything, and it didn't like leave patches. Look how cool that looks. And there's still enough space. I wonder if I can catch that end over here that didn't get touched down and bring it over to this side. Oh my goodness. Look how cool that is. That's way cool. Okay, and then it does leave like this residue on the stamper, so let's make sure that that will come off. So you do have to give it a few times to remove the chrome powder completely. And I did use one of my stampers where it was like, okay, if it gets ruined, I'm not going to be sad about it. Okay, guys, look how cool that is. The gold and the orange, it looks so cool. Well, that's super exciting that that worked. I'm usually not a big fan of vinyls. Oh, and to top this off, we're going to use, it's called Dream Polish, and she does scented top coats and base coats. And this is in the scent Pink Sugar, and this is like kind of old. Oh guys, look how cool that is, and it doesn't run or smear or anything. It's in the scent it's in the scent Pink Sugar, and she I absolutely love this scent. It is actually my last bottle, and she actually went out, she didn't go out of business, but she took a break for a little bit, and I think she's back now. So I will leave her linked down below as well. And if I ever forget to link stuff in the description box, it's always linked on my Instagram, which I feel like is the easiest way to find them anyways, because then you can kind of check out their product on their product page. Anyways, but here's the finished design. I think that chrome rubbing was super awesome. Major props to the girl that figured that out. Again, I'll leave her link down below in the description box because I tried this because of her. But this will make it so that I kind of want to get more chrome powder now and try out different things. Different designs, different colors on top of other colors. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to follow me on all my social media sites. I have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe here. It would make me very happy. I am trying for a goal this year to become monetized again. I was monetized last year, but because of the new requirements that came out, I lost my monetization. Is that a word? Anyways, so if you guys wanted to subscribe here to help me reach that goal, that would be awesome. And as always, guys, be polished, wear polish, and a little superstition never hurt. Thanks for watching. Bye.